Where? Can you show me, Bing?
There. It's not a very big firework.
Oh, that's because it's an aeroplane.
It is. It's an aeroplane. Meow. Meow.
No fireworks yet, Bing.
I'm going to do a super loud banging rocket. Whoosh! Bang!
Oh, super loud.
Don't be scared, Flop.
Oh.
Come and go outside, Flop.
It may be too loud out there, Bing. Ah, Sula and Amma.
Hello, Bing, it's me. Hi, Sula. Hello, Bing, it's me. Hello, Sula. What?
Hello, Bing. Sula can't hear you.
Look, Bing, my ear muffles are making everything quiet.
Everything except for Sula.
Why do you want everything quiet, Sula? What? Why do you want everything quiet? What?
Tell Bing why you're wearing earmuffs, Sula.
I don't like noisy fireworks, Bing. My ear muffles make them quiet. See? Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Oh, I like these. Those are mine, Bing. Fireworks! Oh, there's something on my pens, Flop.
Ah. You found a balloon.
Silly Flop. That's not a balloon. Balloons are big.
Sure, but balloons start small. It'll need some before it gets bigger.
Flop, it won't work.
Okay. Up. It still needs a knot. There it goes.
Where's it gone, Flop? Aha, balloon. Can you make it big so I can keep it?
Sure. If you wait for me to tie the knot, then it'll stay big.
He's saying hello.
How about a face? Oh, that's a lovely smile.
Hello.
Hello, balloon.
He's talking to me.
Easy, Bing. He might go. Pop.
But Balloon likes it. Doink. Doink, doink. Doink, doink.
Easy, Bing. Remember, he might go. Pop. Hello, Pando.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Paget.
Hi, Flop. Hello, Bing.
Come on, Bing. It's my turn. Hurry up.
You could always swing in this one, Pando.
That doesn't go high enough. I want the big swing.
It'll be your turn in a minute.
Bing, how about counting to 10? And then it's Pando's turn.
Okay.
Yes, count to 10.
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bing's nearly done, Pando. Then it'll be your turn.
9, 10. Yeah!
OK? Now Pando can have his turn, and when he's counted to 10, it'll be your turn again.
Yes, to 10.
Okay, look out!
Whoop.
Woohoo! You have to count, Pando. Woohoo!
Come on, Pando. 1.
Whee! And when you say 10, then it's my turn again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurry up, Pando. You're counting too slow. Woohoo! Look at me. Whee! Hey, you're not counting.
What number comes next?
Oh, can I play? But I need that block for my tower. Oh.
Aren't there enough blocks for both of you? Here you go, Bing, for your tower.
Thank you, Flop. I'm going to make a rainbow and I'm going to start it with pretty purple. Purple is my favouriteest. It's nearly taller than you, Flop. Is it nearly as tall as me?
Not yet. You need more blocks.
Then indigo. Pretty purple indigo, blue and green and bright yellow. That's the way the colours go, climbing up the rainy bow.
Here. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Your tower's getting a bit wobbly.
Is it tall as me now?
Nearly as tall, Bing.
Blue. Green. Yellow. Don't chew it, Charlie. Blocks are for building, not eating. Peekaboo. It's not Red's turn yet. Ruby Red is at the end of my rainy bow. I haven't done orange yet. Sunset orange, ruby red, rainy bow above your head. That's the way the colours go, sliding down the rainy bow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. What about now?
One last block, and it will be as tall as you, Bing.
Just one more block. All that's left is ruby red. Uh-oh. Where's ruby red gone? Charlie's got it.
Oh, don't chew it, Charlie.
Squee. Let go, Charlie. Here, you can have Squee.
Oh, look at Sula.
Aw, Sula's got all the ducks.
Well, try some food. Just a beaky little bit. That should do it.
Here you go. Oh, here's another one. You may have them. Yum, yum. He likes it. Oh, shall I go and some more food?
Yes, a little bit more. And this time, remember, statue still and shh. Oh, dear.
Hey, not fair.
Remember, Bing, stand statue still and shh.
Okay, I'm going to give him some more.
Well, maybe not that much. Oh, that might be too much.
But he likes it. Look, Flop. They all like it. Hey.
That's it, Bing. You've used it all up.
Oh. Sula's got some. Sula, can I have some of your food? Look! I got a big duck! Bing, that's not a duck. That's a goose. He's eating everything, Flop.
Indeed. The goose thinks all that food is just for him.
Greedy goose. Go away.